Hi everyone, I'm Kima. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be going over 10 of the classiest winter nail trends that will have you looking fabulous all winter long. Let's dive right in. The first classy winter nail trend I want to get into is a color, and it is the color navy blue. Now, navy blue is coming over from fall, and it is a replacement for your classic black. During the winter months, we like to lean towards our black or classic black, which is actually still very polished and beautiful. But there's a replacement for the blacks. If you love your black nail polish, how about navy blue? I am going to be doing the navy blue. I really wanted to do it in fall. I didn't get around to it, but that is one of the first color I'm going to dive into this winter. Navy blue is such a gorgeous, rich, heritage color. It'll look really classy, and it's also a color that you can style plenty other heritage colors around. Let's say you're wearing a burgundy outfit, it's going to look really great with it. A cream beige outfit, it's going to look still good with it, and it also will look good with black outfits. Navy blue is such a beautiful upgrade. It's such a nice rich color and will really elevate your overall appearance and make you look even more fabulous this winter. So no winter blues, but navy blue. The next nail trend that is huge this winter are glass nails. Now, glass nails are exactly what it is. It looks like glass, but more so on a very like neutral feel and tone. So neutral girlies who love your nails to be simple, elegant, simple, classy, simple, and just neutral. Glass nails are going to be kind of one of those ones that lean more towards your perspective and how you like your nails to look. And you can think about glass nails like think about a mirror or a piece of glass, how that shines. So it's that shininess. It's almost like glossy too, but more kind of like glass-like. I don't even know if I'm describing this precisely, but I'm popping examples on screen so that you can see what I'm talking about. And there are a few different ways to achieve this. Of course, you can ask your nail technician to do this for you, or you can also just use like glass-like nail polish. You can even do like a natural clear coating and then add a little bit of chrome over it that will, and then seal it at the top again to give that glass look. I think it's such a gorgeous nail trend for winter. It's one of those nail trends that is like, hey, it's winter. I know you like your nails to be simple, clean, elegant, and relaxed, but here goes a little bit of a oomph, a little zhuzhin of the nails for you as a trend that you can try or lean into this winter. So definitely think about, especially if you're really a neutral gal, trying out the glass nails this winter. Moving right along, we have iridescent nail polish, an iridescent type of design. This is also for your neutral nail colors and also the gloss nails. Neutral girlies, this is for you. So the iridescent design is just going to be one of those ones that it could be just a design on your finger. It could really be all 10 fingers that has that iridescent look to it. Super polished, extremely elegant and beautiful. I think it's just so gorgeous. And there are different colors of iridescent that you can play around with, have fun with, you know, for the girls who like their pinks, for the women who like their peaches, for the women who like their grays and browns. For any color that you want to lean into, iridescent is out there for you, or those kind of like almost ombre looking iridescent. And we're going to get to another color trend that is very similar to that, but your iridescent nail polish, your iridescent designs are going to be so fabulous. They're highly trending and beautiful for winter. Again, like I said before, we're not going to be going through any winter blues this winter, and our nails have a big part to play with it. Especially if you're a nail girly, we've got it covered. Next up, we have delicate almond nails. I love this. I love this because particularly I lean towards delicate almond nails. I don't quite like sharp square nails or square with a little bit round at the edge. I am a small, miniature, minuscule almond girly, and that is like a delicate almond. I find it to be really polished and beautiful. I definitely don't do the coffin or the super long pointy. I think that's for the cool girls. It looks good on them. It matches their vibe and outfit. You have to match your vibe and your outfits, you have to lean into what makes you comfortable. And if you're watching this video and you lean towards a classy style, and if not, a delicate nail almond, classy, classic, elegant style is gonna be really gorgeous and beautiful for you. Now, my nails right now are giving delicate almond, and I really love them. I actually did my nails myself yesterday. I know quite a few people love my nail videos, and I got my little nail system here that I finally put together. I've been inching on doing this, but I decided to because I realized I would need my nails done back to back 2 weeks, and I wasn't going to go to the nail salon twice to pay $60 to get my nails done back to back. So I got my own little set. I did my nails yesterday. These are gel. I love gel nails. That's what I prefer. And this is like a really pretty green color. So I think in future videos, for future videos, I'm going to be doing, especially my vlogs, my bi-weekly nails. So definitely subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on that while I also learn to do cute, classy designs. So yes, your delicate almond nails are a huge winter trend, and it could just be a single polish. It could be even like a French design on your almond nails. Whatever it is, whichever color you prefer, just simple little delicate almond nails are definitely classy and happening this winter. Moving right along, this is a fun one. I think this is a fun one, especially if your style is classy, but you like to have fun with your nails, and that is transforming polishes. So think about like your temperature reading type of nails, the moody ones that change, like if you're inside, the color might be darker, and if you're outside, the color of your nails show a lighter, and it changes with the mood of the environment and your mood around you. I think those are so unique and beautiful. One of my girlfriends had her nails done so nicely. I should have asked her what the exact concoction was because she does her nails herself, for her to have that moody change. She even dipped it in water, and when it went into the cold water, it was a completely different color. I think it was like silver. She took it out, it was blue, and I was like, I love that. So think about that as a really fun, spunky nail trend, especially if you're someone who like the variation and change up your nails. I know that some people who lean towards a classy style, they're just like, this is it. This is my threshold. But if you're looking to have fun, transforming polishes is a good way to incorporate that. Plus, during the winter, it's so like dreary and draggy, and we're coming off of the holiday season where we're like, oh, happy, and then we move into winter and it's like a slump. A good nail day can really change how you feel, how you look in your outfit. So transforming polishes are a huge trend this winter. And if you're looking for something new to try, then you can definitely try it. I'm gonna do some research on this and see how I can do it myself, because I think it might be pricey in the nail shop. Okay, next up we have animal print nails. Now, if you have seen my 2025 top fashion trend and shoe trend, then you would have seen the mention of animal prints just taking over 2025. Animal prints will be everywhere, and it's seeping its way into everything we do, including our nails. Yes, animal prints are happening, and I am particularly happy about it, and that's why I included it in my classy fashion trend and classy shoe trend. I think animal prints are fun because you get to pick the one that you lean more towards. Like, I particularly love leopard. I'm actually wearing a leopard skirt right now. You guys can't see it, but here's my leopard skirt. And for me, I feel like I would play around a little bit with leopard for my nails for something fun this winter. However, you can also do tortoise. And I did mention that in my last fall nail trends video. Tortoise design were huge, and it's moving over and still belong in that animal print category. So if you like zebra print, knock yourself out. If you like cowhide, cow print, knock yourself out. Whatever it is that tickles your fancy, the animal prints are happening. They are gorgeous. They're beautiful. You can have fun with it again. You can do one nail design. You could do every other nail. You could just do 2 nails. You could play around with the different ways of adding that to your nails and still look fabulous and gorgeous. Next up, we have short nails. This should come as no surprise because I do find that women who lean more towards a classy style or classic overall appearance, look and feel, usually lean more towards shorter nails, sometimes just natural nails, which I find still so beautiful. So short nails are a huge trend for winter 2025, and I feel like with that, it's kind of like a low maintenance type of vibe. it's taking away a lot of the extra maintenance of like long nails or, you know, certain shape nails that you have to keep up. And short nails is giving you that out, right? That out, or that confirmation that you don't need to be fussy about your nails to really look elegant and classy or to maintain a classic overall appearance. Short nails are in, and I love that everyone's covered in these nail trends. For every personality, there is a nail trend to lean into, and short nails are definitely a huge trend. So for you girlies out there who love your short nails, who leans into that really polished, simple elegance, it's your time to shine, honey. Short nails are trending. They're a huge, huge winter nail trend, and I hope you're enjoying yourself. Next up, we have 3D embellishment nails. So again, fun girlies, fun, spunky, who love a good nail art and one done really well. It's your time to shine with 3D embellishments. You can really pick whatever tickles your fancy. Let's say you like florals. Let's say you like a certain animal. You love doggies. Let's say you love sunshine, elephants. Let's say you like a particular fruit, and you know, it's a personality thing. And this also leans again into 2025 is all about personality, exploring personality, individualism, and really lean into your fashion aesthetic, your fashion vibe, your overall vibe, leaning into what really speaks to you and what makes you you. And your nails are a huge part of it. So with the 3D embellishment, I feel like if you're into something particular, like let's say florals, you can get your nails done and get like a nice 3D floral made on top of it. And those 3D embellishment are usually the ones that you can see the actual design. You can actually touch it a lot of the times. Or if you don't want to go so deep, you can also still do like your little stick-ons or so on your nails if you don't want to go deep into 3D, but you want to borrow from the trend and kind of like lean into the trend a little bit. That's an option too. But think about individualism. What makes you you? Who are you? What makes you tickle? What makes you happy? What makes you vibrant? Who do people know you to be? You know, I love coffee. So I would probably be like, can you make like coffee 3D art on my nails, right? And that would make me me, because people know I love coffee. I know I love coffee, and anyone that sees my nail with any kind of coffee 3D design, they'll be like, yeah, we get it. Totally you love coffee. So it's a part of the individualism that is being celebrated in 2025, and we can celebrate that through our nails. Next up, we have Mocha Mousse nails. Yes. Okay, if you don't know, Pantone color of the year is gorgeous brown. Such a beautiful color that Pantone picked. Last year they had peach fuzz. I tried with peach fuzz. And I gave up. I gave up on the first trial. I was like, absolutely not. No, not for me. And I'm not even going to lead or gear people in towards it. I did do a video on it, but I was like, oh my gosh, it's underwhelming, right? So they replaced an underwhelming color last year, 2024. We didn't deserve peach fuzz, with Mocha Mousse. And I am so excited to see it trickling down into nails. Again, in my 2025 huge fashion trend that's going to be everywhere, and shoe trend, I talk about the browns, the rich browns, which lean into the Mocha Mousse. So seeing it in the nail trends and leaning into winter at the start of the year is no surprise. So think about your Mocha Mousse nails. Browns, different variations of browns. I know certain browns that fit me really well, some browns quite don't, but I'm super excited. And that's one of the colors I think I'll do at home by myself, because I do have a really pretty brown in this gel set that I recently bought on Amazon. So definitely subscribe to my channel. I'll do these types of videos more in a vlog format. I'll make sure to note it once it's in the vlog so that you can catch it if you don't care to watch my vlogs, but you want to catch the nail part, then you can definitely check it out while I'm doing my nails at home. So yes, the Mocha Mousse nails are definitely a huge trend for winter. And also I really think it will lean a lot all of 2025 because it's the color of the year. So I think it would be a great time to introduce myself. Hi, I'm Kima. Welcome to my channel. My channel focuses on classy fashion and elevated lifestyle. If that is you or something that interests you, want to lean into or consume, I would absolutely love to have you here. So do please subscribe to my channel. My comment section is always open. I love learning tips and tricks or thoughts and processes around way people see fashion, lifestyle, and so on. I learn a lot, and I love that we get to share. So when others go to the comment section too, they can see the information there, and it's not just from my perspective. I absolutely love that, respectfully. And I want to let you know I do these trend videos every year and every season. So this is the winter one. I'll do a spring, I'll do a summer, I'll do a fall. You could check the other videos out. And I always lean more towards classy, classic, a little bit of elegant style. If that's something that interests you, please do subscribe. Love to have you here. So yes, your Mocha Mousse nails are happening, and I hope you have fun trying out the color. And the final nail trend I want to mention are your neutral nails. Neutral nails, again, going back to the glass nails, going back to short nails, going back to, you know, delicate almond nails. Neutral nails are huge this winter. Again, I feel like with the neutral nails, it's paring back a little bit of like the expectation of your nails doesn't need to be like over the top or anything like that during the winter months. You can be relaxed and chill, keeping it neutral. And of course, the neutrals are going to lean more towards your clear nails. It's going to lean more towards like your pink, soft, delicate pink, soft, delicate neutral colors, or beer nails too. Beer nails are also in that category. So if you're someone who like to keep your nails neutral and minimal and super simple, huge trend, especially during the winter months. And you can definitely rest assured that you'll still look classy and beautiful and gorgeous in your neutral nails. And the good thing about neutral nails is that it doesn't, again, clash, compete, or kind of like take away from your outfits, you know, your makeup and so on. It's a really cohesive color that blends beautifully into what you're wearing, how you're styling. And for the women who really feel comfortable with their neutral nails and love the idea of not having the nails be a loud or a standout item in their overall appearance, it's your time to shine again. It's your time to shine. And you can also use that to encourage and empower other women who generally are like, oh my gosh, neutral nails kind of feel like my nails aren't done. That's not the case. Neutral nails are gorgeous. They're beautiful. You can also add a little bit of vibrancy to neutral nails if you like color but want to really tone it down. More of like your soft, delicate color that are like sheer, soft sheer. So if you, let's say you loved blue nails or green nails, you can do a soft sheer that can really come off neutral and pretty. All right, everyone, that's it. 10 classy, gorgeous, and dare I say elegant winter nail trends that you can dive into this winter season. And like I said, no winter blues around here. No winter blues. We're still gonna style ourselves in ways that keeps us happy during the winter months. And I hope these nail trends are something that spoke to you, at least one of them that you might try or lean into this winter to kick away some of the winter blues. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me know which of the nail trends you like, haven't tried, haven't worn, or planning on leaning into this winter in the comment section down below. I'll also link a couple Press-Ons, nail polish, and gel polish in the description if you're looking to shop by category down below. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Bye.